I look at QANX every week, and I like the Quan platform. I like QANX. I like the community. I like the idea of what QANX is. If you don't know, then do your own research. None of this is financial advice. They've had some big announcements. Look, huge thanks to everyone who's already tested our quantum secure and multi-language testnet. Your contribution is helping us build a more secure future. So the big news is that the Quan testnet with audited QVM and QANX link has been launched. Well done. Congratulations. And they've posted a monthly recap here, which you can go and have a look. I'm not going to read it, but it's there. And this is what we've been waiting for, the final testnet, the big testnet, the one with the integrated audited QVM and QANX link. That's been launched. I suppose this is going to be tested now, like for a few months, I suppose. It's not going to just be 1 month. I suppose this is going to go on for a few months. And I suppose, and I don't know, I'm just guessing, that maybe we'll see the Quan mainnet launch later on in the year. Maybe a few months down the line, maybe in the summer. The great thing about the QANX Quan platform is while everything was dropping, QANX didn't drop. It couldn't even take out the low. So last week I was talking about the possibility of another attack of the lows. Yeah, I don't know if anyone watches my streams paying attention to what I was saying, but if you remember, I did an 18-minute stream about QANX and potential drop. Remember, potential drop to value area low. I said another attack of the lows, and lo and behold, we had another attack of the lows, but looks like it's holding a higher low here. It's looking quite bullish, isn't it? Accumulation phase. I said accumulation phase. Not financial advice. It's all entertainment, but I guess someone out there is watching my videos and going, yes, he's right. Let's do it. Let's buy. This is a really bullish signer to kind of hold the higher low here. There's some big buying coming in here. Again, it's relatively small in the context of the whole range, but look, there's some buying, isn't there? Look at those green candles. Buy, buy, buy. Higher volume. And we're still not going up, but clearly there's some big accumulation happening here. Clearly, yeah. And what's going on? What's happening here? Well, look, there's some people who want to buy. They're not patient. They're not putting limit orders. They just want to market buy. We're getting some big slippage here, aren't we? So on these 2 days, some people are just market buying and they're getting like 30% slippage or whatever, 17% slippage. They're not bothered. I think what's happening is you're getting some big accumulation here. They're not bothered about 17% or 25%. They just want to fill their bags. Keep on filling their bags. They just want to go. You feel good when your bag grows in size and you want it to happen now. That's what's going on. People are filling their bags now. It'd be a lot better to just put limit orders and get fills at a constant price at the lows and be patient. But that's not what's happening. People are just filling. These are just bag fills. When your bags are getting filled, it doesn't mean we're pumping and going to the moon. The market has to be right for that to happen. Everyone has to be buying. The whole market has to be buying for this to go to the moon. At the same time, everyone has to be buying. It's a FOMO that needs to happen. So we're not getting that just yet. And it's quite interesting because we've gone up to test these lows again. Basically what I was saying before, somewhere around 2 cents is resistance, and you can see it. You can see that we're hitting resistance. It's good. It's a good sign to hit resistance because you're clearing out sellers. It just means in the future when you do go up, you go up because you've cleared out all the sellers. But also you can see that we're putting in a lower high here, can't you? So we're getting some market buying. We're not getting signs of strength just yet, which indicates a big price reversal. But compared to all the other altcoins, QANX is looking quite nice, isn't it? It's looking like it's looking much stronger, much healthier. So this is a really good opportunity to accumulate at these prices. It doesn't really matter how low we go here now, because we are trying to bottom here. Now, this could take weeks or months, and it had largely to do with Bitcoin and the rest of crypto. But I think it's okay for us to create an accumulation zone here for a massive breakout when the mainnet launches. Hopefully the mainnet launches and we go up like that eventually. That's kind of what we want to see with massive volume. It's not going to happen tomorrow because they've only just launched the testnet. I've shown you that. And so, not financial advice, but I guess it's good to just keep an eye on the Telegram channels. That's where most of the news is. That's where I post my video link. This is the one that I kind of keep an eye on, this unofficial one, because here people can say what they want. You can have a look at the main one as well. And this is where you're going to find all the information. A lot of people are going to get rich from this, I see. So I still think we have time. I really believe we still have a little bit of time to accumulate at these kind of low prices. I think we're in a good zone here to accumulate, and let's just form a really nice accumulation zone here. And then we can get a really healthy breakout in the future and become wealthy. And then whoever becomes wealthy, you can invite me to your yacht. You could get me some flights and invite me to your yacht. That'd be nice. Or just come and visit me. I'll be in El Salvador. I'm going to El Salvador next week for forever. So you can come visit me in El Salvador. Go for a drink. I don't drink, but I'll have a lemonade. So yeah, so nothing really to report except this is good. This looks good. I should buy some more, huh? I'm selling my house. I'm selling my flat here in London. When I sell my flat, I'm just gonna buy QANX. So yeah, that's QANX. If you like this video, like, share, post, share, like. And if you haven't subscribed already, then why wouldn't you subscribe to my channel so you can help me get to 1,000? That would be really appreciated. That's the least you can do, then that would be appreciated. So that's QANX. I hope that helps. Probably not, but it's always good to talk about QANX.